Okay, fine. So just check out the share screen. Is it visible? So in the last class, we started your basic operations of signals. So before that, I think I covered elementary signals also. Elementary signal, is it done for basic section, guys? Elementary signals, unit step, unit ramp, unit impulse.
Yes, sir.
Adiyappa? Okay, fine. Then it's good.
Yes.
So then we can go ahead with a few problems on operations of signals. Then let me proceed with the next category. So I think in the last class we covered elementary signals. So there are 5 elementary signals, so which we went through. Then similarly we have went through with a concept called operation on signals. So I think I told there are 3 major difference, right? 3 major different types. So one is called time delaying or advancing, time folding, time scaling. So I think we have understood individually. Then I told if there is a rule where all are mixed together. For example, scaling is also there, folding is also there. Then question comes which one we should take first. So that rule is called precedential rule. Is that happen for you people? Precedence rule is done? Nutan?
Sir, they have just told the priority order rule ಅಂತ
Okay.
ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So let me go ahead then. So this paint is visible?
Yes, sir.
Fine. See, the basic operations, I think everyone got to know how to plot, for example, if I give x of t minus 1. So if I say t minus 1, is it visible what I'm typing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So assume that if you have such kind of things with you, so you know what is this man's, correct now? So x of t will be given for you. So for that x of t, if they ask you to plot x of t minus 1, so this is an indication of what, guys? What it is called as? Is it advanced or delay?
Delay, sir.
Good. So you need to have an idea about the logic of this. So you have to know that logic is called delay. So similarly, if it is x plus 2, then it is called advancing. Kata. So this much you remember, no? So along with that, so I taught you different concepts like if x of t is given, then how to plot x of minus t. Similarly, minus x of t, how to plot, then minus of minus t. This much you remember? So if x of t is given, what is the meaning of x of minus t, guys? So you need to negate with respect to your time. So whatever x of t is given x-axis, that I am going to consider a mirror image. Correct? If I say minus x of t, so this will play with respect to your amplitude. So here the first category with respect to your x-axis, that is your time. Here it will be y-axis, that is your amplitude. And last is combination of both. So whatever x of minus t will be having with you, for that if you do folding. So this much you remember. Any example to be given? Is it fine, everyone?
Example, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So we'll,
third example, sir.
okay. Delaying part, advancing part. Okay, Napa. You want any example for delaying, advancing also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's consider x of t. So let's try to plot x of t. Then from there we'll try to analyze. Okay. So we'll go ahead. So assume that x of t is given like this. So let me give a signal. Is it visible, guys? So assume that I am giving from -3, this is 0, and this is your 2. So this is a x of t. Visible to everyone? So let's try to analyze the concept of your delayed advancing and how this folding everything works. So what is the thing you want? X of t is given. Okay, good. So for this, they've asked you to plot x of t minus 1. So name itself tells delaying, right? So delay means what I should do? I should transfer whatever signal is there with number of delay towards right hand side. So how much delay they are given here? What's the delay given? 1. So what should be happen for this signal now? So what was starting from -3? So delay means it has to go towards positive side. Correct? So since it has to move towards positive side, so what was the signal starting from -3 has to start from -2, and this will end at 3. Agree na? So let me start this -2. Okay. So delay 1 bit shift means, so everything will happen with 1 bit delay now. So this point will end here and this will end at 3. So this is a 3. So this was 0, right? So this position has been moved to 1 bit. So if you redraw the diagram, it will come back like this only. So is it your x of t minus 1? Agree? Any doubts? Anyone tell you? Is it fine, guys? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, can you plot me t plus 2 now? X of t plus 2. So what is x of t plus 2 indicates?
Shift left by 2.
Shift left by 2. So plus 2 indicates it is called advancing part. So advancing means before only. So this is your original signal. So check out the number of delay. So delay says it is called as 2. So what was the signal was starting from here? So you can do the two things. Either you can pull this by 2 or you can push from here 2. Both are same only. So if I drag this by 2 times, how it looks, guys? So from where exactly the signal starts now?
-5 to 0.
Good. So -3 is here. So -4 will come here. So let me trace -4 and -5. So let me plot the scale first. So plot the scale, everyone. -3, -2, -1 and 0. Okay, Napa? So now you can look at here 2 delay, right? So look at here. So 0 to 1. In between there is 1 also. Correct, Napa? So 1 to 2 is first delay and 1 to 0 is second delay. So it means the signal will start from exactly 0 like this, and it goes till where? Till -3 like this. Then it ends at 5. Is it how it looks? Is it what t plus 2 concept? Everyone, is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
So you got the logic now. See, if you're done right or wrong, if you have a confusion with you, whatever things you have done, you just push back. How much interval you've taken? 2, right? So you just push back this by 2 bit. How to do the 2 bit interval? So -5 to -4 is one shift, and -4 to -3 is second shift. If you do like that, this is what the signal look like. So is it understood to everyone? So with respect to delaying and advancing,
Yes, sir.
clear, guys? Okay, shall I proceed with the next? Shall you move on with your folding category? So let me take same example. So let me delete this. Okay. So now tell me x of t is given for you. Okay. So for this x of t, how can I obtain the concept what is shown on the screen? So what is asked now? We want x of minus t, guys. Correct? Huh? So x of minus t means what, Papa?
Reflection.
What is the meaning of reflection? See, time is on x-axis, Alapa. So whatever x-axis is here, so it has to get negated. So it means I want an exact reflection, or I can call it as a mirror image. So mirror image means what? Whatever starting from -3 will go to this side, and this side will come this side. So the signal will start from -2, then -1 is there, 0 is there. So 1, 2, and 3. If we make the thing like this, so how the signal look like now? So how can I take the mirror image? So I want to start the thing. Is it like this? Is it like this?
Yes, sir.
So what was happened with respect to x of t? I'm just doing negation of that. Negation nothing but a reflection or a mirror image. So this is what your x of minus t look like. So any doubts, anyone? Is it fine, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is the next thing they have asked? Minus x of t. So what is the meaning of minus x of t? So now I should play with respect to my y-axis. So you need to negate your amplitude. So what was amplitude? For example, in this problem, if I take amplitude as 1, so this has to go to which side now? Which side? So what has to happen now? Minus means what? So I should fold this. So amplitude was 1. So now we're telling me amplitude will become -1. So because of that, amplitude -1, how the original signal look like? So this is -1, right? So what was above, that will come downwards. Is it what the meaning of that statement? Agree? Is it how it looks? Yes. So is it what the meaning of x of minus x of t? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for the given x of t, we have tried to obtain x of minus t, nothing but a mirror image or reflection. So then minus x of t, nothing but your time folding. So what is the last category? They want minus x of minus t. See, instead of plotting again for this, you already have x of minus t with you, correct? So first we have to give preference for x of minus t, which is already with you. So for this, if I do a replica, that will become a final answer for my this question. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So what will happen? So this diagram will come downwards. That is what the meaning of minus x of minus t. So let me trace here. The same question, right? So we want minus of this means. So how the waveform look like? So it start. Then what I should write? Should I write this in this way? Is it -2 to +3? Correct and draw.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any doubts now, anyone, how this time folding will work? So whatever x of t they give, just stick on with the procedure. X of t is known. See, if you remember this 3 category, then you can play with this time folding any problem, whatever they're going to ask in the exam. Okay, so just stick on with the procedure. So I hope these things are clear. So any doubts, anyone with time delaying, advancing, as well as time folding? Okay, Andra, shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so same way we have one more concept called as, what is that called as? Time scaling. So we finished time shifting. as well as shifting with respect to our advance and delay category. So similarly, we went through with time folding. So last category left out is what? That is called time scaling. So let's try to analyze with the same example. Okay, so assume that this is the given x of t. So what is the thing you should plot now? So the question I will give you. So for the given x of t, you need to plot x of 2t. Okay, and you want one more, that is x of t by 2, t divided by 2. So this is what the two things we want to make for this given x of t. So what are the two categories with respect to time scaling? We know one is called as, what's the name?
Time compression.
Time
Scaling.
compression. Good. So x of 2t is a category which belongs to.
Time compression.
Good. So x of t by 2 belongs to time
Expansion.
expansion. So I written shortcut here. So TC time compression and TE time expansion. So what is the logic we need to remember, guys, to perform time expansion, time compression? You should
To
remember the
multiply.
logic for time compression multiplier.
Divides it.
Yeah,
Right,
for
sir.
time, yes, for time compression, we should remember I should do divide by logic, right? So divide by 2 logic. Similarly, for time expansion, we should do multiply logic. Surrender, multiply by 2. Okay, Napa? So this much you just have awareness. So time compression and time expansion. Okay, so for this question, so let's come back now. So I need to plot what, guys? I need to plot x of what? 2t. So how to plot x of 2t? What should be done? So whatever the
Divide
original
by.
signal is there, yeah, good. So divide by 2. So if we divide by 2, so it means what? It is like whatever the scale we have with the original, that has to be divided by 2. So now tell me how the circuit look like. I mean, how the signal look like. So what is minus 3 by 2? I mean, 3 by 2 is how much here?
Minus 1.65.
Good. So what was starting from minus 3, it will start from minus 1.5. Okay, na? So anyhow 0 remains 0 only, and here we can make 2 to 1. So because 2 by 2 becomes 1. So the signal will vary from minus 1.5 to plus 1. Amplitude remains 1 only. So this is how your x of 2t look like. Everyone agree with this? Any difficulties anyone to understand? Okay, and raw. Is it fine with the compression technique to everyone? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I want the same thing for the same x of t. I need to plot x of t by 2. So whenever you see the word t by 2, it is a concept of time expansion. So it means I should multiply by 2. Correct? So what we did earlier, divide by 2. So this is not required now. So we should do what? Multiply by 2. So what was the x-axis? Just multiply by 2. So now this will become what here? So the samples will go till where?
Minus
Minus
6 to
6.
4.
Good. So this will end at 4. You can show the difference. Okay, na? So the signal look like this. So minus 6, it ends at 0 and comes back and ends at 4. So is it how your x of t by 2 look like? Agree, everyone? Is it okay? Any doubts, anyone? So divide by 2 logic for the given original signal and multiply by 2 logic for the given signal. So is it how we can differentiate your time scaling property? If anybody have doubts still here, let me know. Otherwise, let me proceed with the next one. Yeah, I want the class to be interactive one, guys. Is it okay with Ilya?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Shall
sir.
we proceed?
Yes.
Okay. See, we understood what is the meaning of time shifting. In that time shifting, we went through with a concept called delay advancing over. Then we went through with time folding. So we categorized all the different things. Then last one was time scaling. In that two concept, compression and expansion. See now, they won't, if they won't give specifically like how we did this problems individually. So assume that the question was given like this. So you need to plot x of 2t minus 3. So assume that you need to plot 2t minus 3. So now tell me what is the thing we have to follow. Is this question consisting of your shifting as well as scaling?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So which one to take first will be the task. There comes a rule called as precedential rule. So like how we have in mathematics called as Bodmer's rule. Do you remember Bodmer's rule, everyone?
Yes.
Everyone remember Bodmer's rule concept? Correct, Napa? So which one to take? Whether to take bracket removal or to take addition, subtraction, multiplication? Everyone remember, I think Bodmer's rule, right? So similarly, we need to have an awareness. So in case of your signal system, whenever you have a combination of shifting and scaling together, then question comes whether I should take shifting first or scaling first. So that rule is called as your precedential rule. PRECEDENC. So precedence rule. So this rule will tell you what are the things you have to follow. So according to this rule, it tells you first we should do shifting operation. So we need to perform shifting. Then followed by your scaling. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. So always remember, whenever you find any type of questions, so first we should do shifting, then only scaling will come to picture. Okay. So assume that you want to change the question. Let me change the question. Let's try to plot for the same one first, then I will change the question. Let's analyze one problem, simple problem. Not required. Let me delete down. Okay. So assume that this is a original signal. So for this, if they ask you to plot sketch x of 2t minus 3. So now I want answers from you. What all the things we should follow? Yeah.
We're going to first start with the
First,
shifting, which we observe that there is a delay of 3 units.
Good. So t minus 3. So there is first thing you have to do shifting. In that shifting, what category will come now? Is it delay or advance?
Delay.
Good. So now tell me from where exactly your interval starts. So delay means it has to come towards positive side, as I said. So you can make a note. -3 to -2 is first delay. -2 to -1 is second delay. And then -1 to 0 is third delay. So can I tell the waveform will start from 0 now instead of -3? Agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. So it is starting with amplitude 1. Okay. So it is starting with 0. So now tell me till where I should take constant.
At
Till where?
3, sir. Up to 3.
Good. So up to 3, I am going to keep the signal constant. Then it has to dip to 5. Okay, Napa? Is it how it looks? See, if you have doubt with the things, whatever you have plotted, I told you to do reverse thing also. What is the thing I told you? So assume that this is not my t minus 3. So I got a doubt that whether I have done right or wrong. So for that, what is the thing I told? How much shift interval I have done 3 times, right? So keep shifting. So 5 to 4, one shift. 4 to 3, second shift. 3 to 2 is your third shift. You can look at here. So this will come similarly like this. Understood now? Any difficulty? Anyone to understand this? Is it fine, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now, according to the question, 2t minus 3 is what they have asked. So we have applied the precedential rule. So it tells that I need to apply my shifting first. So t minus 3 is done. What is next? What is next I should perform? I should go with scaling, right? So what is the scaling tells? Whether I should do time compression or time expansion.
Compression, sir.
Good. So time compression means what I should do? Divide by 2 or multiply by 2? Divide by 2. Good. So now tell me, after divide by 2, how the circuit looks, how the waveform look like. So whatever things was, I think this is a cut. For your reference, I will put here. So this will come to 1.5 and this will come to 2.5. This remains at 0 only. Agree? So if we do compression, so amplitude here, so this will come at 1.5. Okay, so we need to show it's half of a signal, right? So then it goes to 2.5. So half of this means 5 become 2.5, 3 become 1.5. So is it how question is solved now? So is it what 2t minus 3 look like, guys? Everyone. Is it correct what I wrote? Any difficulties? Anyone? Say, I want answers from you. If you say any doubts, I can repeat. Yeah. '86 are there. Any doubts to any 86 people? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will go with the next problem. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's come back. So assume that for the same question, if they are given minus 2t minus 3, then what should be done, guys? For the same question, instead of 2t minus 3, assume that minus 2t minus 3 is given. What should be done?
Reflection. Reflection.
Good. So what was the thing was going in this way? It has to get exactly mirror image. So if I change the color, so the circuit look towards this side. So till minus 1.5, minus 2.5. Is it how it looks? If we ask minus, is it okay? Is it okay?
Sir, screen is lagging, sir.
Enipa? Screen is lagging. Okay. Is it not visible? The paint is not visible. Check out now. No, huh? Not visible, guys.
Now it came, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, na continue. So what I told is, if it is minus 2t minus 3 for the same question, so you have to go with the same procedure. So follow t minus 3 first, then 2t minus 3, then you should do the reflection part. See, that is what the precedential rule tells. So shifting first, scaling first, then comes your folding. Is it okay? So don't do any imbalance. So how we have to follow your BODMAS in mathematics, same way in signals, we have to follow this rule called as precedence rule. So is it okay till here to everyone? Shall I go with next problem?
Sir.
Okay, good. So now let me change the question. So instead of giving any waveform for you, they are given a statement now. So write on the statement, guys. Let us consider, write on the question. So they are not given any waveform for you. Instead of waveform, they are given indirect question. So they are giving a statement. Let us consider y of t equals, is it visible what I'm writing?
No, sir.
I will change the color. Continue. Let me write. Wait. Is it visible now? Y of t.
Yes, sir.
Can't tell, Papa. You want me to share once more? No, if it is not sharing, it's just visible. Huh?
Visible.
Okay, fine. So the question is, consider y of t equals minus x of minus 2t plus 3. Hold on. Let us consider y of t equals minus x of minus 2t plus 3, where x of t, continue, where x of t is a rectangular pulse. So that is what the hint they are given for you. X of t is a rectangular pulse of amplitude minus 1 to plus 1. X of t is a rectangular pulse of amplitude okay, just what I told you, just repeat. Anyone repeat me what I told? Amplitude, what I told?
Minus 1 to plus 1.
That is a duration actually. Just change the word just one sec. So x of t is a rectangular pulse of amplitude. Just change the word like this. Amplitude is 2, and duration is from minus 1 to plus 1. I hope you got the question. Duration is from minus 1 to plus 1. Is it clear? Of t is given as what, guys? X of t is given as what?
Rectangular.
Function with amplitude of 2, duration is from minus 1 to plus 1. See, this is how you can expect the question if they didn't give any sketch directly like how we did in the previous category. Now I want answers from your side. What is the question actually? Let me delete this. Yeah, what exactly they are given? Have you got the question or not? They have asked this condition for you, right? So this is what you are supposed to calculate. This is your question. So to plot this y of t, I should have x of t with me. And they have not given any waveform directly. They're telling that x of t is a rectangular pulse whose amplitude is 2 for the duration -1 to +1. So it means what? You need to plot a x of t first. If you're able to get x of t, then from there, this operation easily I know. Can anyone tell me how to plot x of t?
Sir, from -1 to 1 with amplitude 2, sir.
So we need to write one rectangular pulse signal. Katapa. So 0. So -1, -2. Here +1, +2. So the signal they have given x of t is a rectangular pulse. So rectangular pulse, I hope everyone know how it looks. Clear? So amplitude is 2, right? So I can trace it from -1 to +1. So -1 to +1 with amplitude of 2. So is it what the meaning of that question, x of t? Everyone agree with this? Is it fine, guys?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So if you're able to get this sketch, then from here onwards you will do it. It is not a big task. So only thing is like this. So they make you rectangular, they make you triangle, they make you square, whatever they give, stick on with the procedure. So instead of giving rectangular wave, if they give triangular wave, you should write triangle wave depending upon the amplitude and depending upon the duration. If they tell duration is 0 to 1, then this diagram will come from 0 to 1. So don't write -1 to +1. So see the question, amplitude and duration, according to that you should plot. Okay, so proceed from now onwards. So I hope this you can plot, right? Plot, let me check out. So I may ask anyone now. So get ready with the answers. All are doing? If anybody has doubts to solve, ask me. So x of t, once you got means, what is the next rule you have to follow here? According to presidential rule, so we have to do shifting first. So what type of shifting it is?
Advancing. Sir.
Good. So advancing by how many bits delay here?
3.
3 bit. So whatever the signal you have with you, that you delay 3 bit. So signal will start from where now? So I have to take advance means towards negative of alpha. So from 1 to 0 first shift. Okay. Good. So let me tell for others also. So 1 to 0 is first shift. Then 0 to -1 is second shift. -1 to -2 is third shift. So the signal which was starting from +1 will come from -2 now. Okay, Napa? So -1, -3, -4. So is it how it looks? It starts at -4, ends at -2. Sarendra? Any difficulties? Anyone how to plot t plus 3? I told you two things. Either you can pull from one end or push from one end. Both are same. If you are pulling, you can pull from here. If you are pushing, push from this end. So since we know it has to go towards negative half, I have pushed the intervals. So +1 to 0 first change, 0 to -1 is second change, -1 to -2 is third change. That is what the interval they was, t plus 3. See, every time don't do this blindly. If it is 4, 5, depending upon that, you need to act. Okay, if it is t plus 2, only 2 shift. So any doubts, anyone, how to do this t plus 3? Is it okay? Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. So what is next thing we should do here? So we have finished your t plus 3, that is advancing part is over. Next ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Scaling.
Scaling.
Scaling. Good. So scaling we should perform, and scaling compression or expansion?
Compression.
So since it is 2, so we have to go with compression. So now what was starting at -4 will come to. So what is the rule?
Max.
Divide by 2 or multiply by 2?
Divide by 2.
Good. So this signal divide by 2. So this will come to -2 and this will come to -1. So I can write a signal from -2 to -1. So amplitude remains 2 only na, matte compression ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Don't forget to put the amplitudes also. Amplitude remains 2. So this is -2. This is -1. So this is your 2t plus 3. Yeah. So we have finished second category. What is next here?
Reflection, sir.
So there was -2t plus 3 means I will do reflection or a mirror image. So with respect to time, I should play. So how the waveform look like now? So what was starting at -2 to +1 when it comes to 1 and 2 baratappa?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is +1 and this is -1. I mean, sorry, +2. So this is your -2t plus 3 concept is done. So along with that, they're not ended. They asked one more thing for you. What is that one more thing? It says minus of that completely. Kata. So minus means what which should be done?
Amplitude should go negative.
Good. So instead of +2, I should get -2. So let me write here smallly. 0. Okay, so -2 will come here. So -2 will come here. So this is called as time what? Folding or scaling up?
Scaling.
Folding. So is it what the problem solution what we wanted? Any difficulty, anyone? See, have you solved -x of -2t plus 3? Is it solved? Is it solved?
Yes, sir.
So if anybody have any difficulties to understand this precedential rule, so let me know, because in the question nowhere they will mention this is your scaling shifting. They will just give the question like how we did y of Kirchhoff. From there onwards, it's your task to get the final answer. So the more next one.
According to the rule, like, can we finish all the first shifting part and then continue the scaling, sir?
We have done shifting only, no, yeah? T plus 3.
First we did the shifting, sir. Then the second step, we did scaling again. We went with the shifting,
No, actually,
sir.
you're telling this, see, this minus, the last minus will come at the end only. Unless until I do this remaining part, I can't do this minus part. Okay, na? So first we went through with T plus 3, that is what shifting. Then we went through with your scaling, then reflection, then again folding. Correct? So what is your doubt? What you are asking, which step you want to be done first?
No, nothing. My step is like, first we did for x plus, T plus 3, no, sir. First we did the left one. Then after that, can't we move to the mirror image of, that is -2 of 2t plus 3? Then finally,
No,
reduce
that is why you have to
duration
follow.
using scaling.
No, that is
and then,
no. That is why you have to use presidential rule. I told. Okay, na? So it's a procedure what we have to follow step by step to get the final answer. That's it, nothing else. Is it okay? Is it okay, guys? Everyone? Any difficulties? Shall we move on to next one? So let's try to do one discrete also, because along with analog continuous time they will ask discrete also, right? I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write on the question. If x of n is as shown below, so they're given x of n now. So in the question, if x of n is given, you should know what you are supposed to write, everyone. So x of n means it is a part of what?
Discrete.
Okay, na? So with respect to this x of n, x of t only, you can judge whether they're given CT signal or DT signal for you. Okay. So for the given x of n, find the signal, find the signal x of, so I'll write a question here. So suppose x of 2n minus 1, and let me add one more here, x of okay, na? Got both the question, everyone? So I will give x of n for you. Delete it. Question once more, we will just make a note here. So what is the thing I told? X of 2n minus 1 and x of minus 2n plus 2. What I gave?
-2, sir.
Minus 2 kutina. You take plus 2.
Yes.
We will take one negative, one positive. Okay. So the signal is given like this. So I'm writing a sketch here. Just make a note. So interval are given like this: 0, 1, -1, -2, and -3. Okay. So for 0, the amplitude is 2. For 0, amplitude is 2. For 1, amplitude is 1. Is it visible what I'm writing? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for -3, it is given as amplitude as 3. Then -2 also 2. So your -2 and 0 remains same. Similarly, -3 and 1 remains same. So this is what the given x of n. So for this x of n, you are supposed to plot x of 2n minus 1 and x of -2n plus 2. We'll do this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve it. So just make a note of a question, everyone. So we'll try to analyze this. So tomorrow we will deal next type of problems. So if any difficulties, anyone, let me know. So sample is done, right? For 0 it is 2, for +1 it is 1, for -1 it is 3, for -2 it is 2, and again -3 it is 1. So for this given sample, want to plot n-1. So we have to practice both CT as well as DT together, because in the exam they may ask anything. So advantage for you guys is complete signals is for 40 marks. So earlier we used to have signals 20 marks and system 20 marks. So you got advantage. So if you know signals completely, so you can easily attend one full question for 20 marks from module 1. So module 2 you can get systems for 20 marks. So they made advantage for you people. So understand the things carefully. Classifications will give you 20 marks. The elementary signals, operations of signals will give you 20 more marks. So 2 questions, however they give, just stick on to the procedure. So is it solved? n-1 plot madadra. So n-1 means what? I should get the signal 1 bit. So it means, so the -3 will come to -2. -2 will go to -1, -1 will go to 0, 0 will go to 1, 1 will go to 2. Kata?
Yes, sir.
Good. So after that, they are given compression. So still I have not went through the expansion problem. So let's try to analyze first, then we will go with the next level. So in this compression, so whatever the signal was there, I mean with respect to your x-axis, divide by 2. So divide by 2 if you do means, so the signal is, first signal will start with -2 on a pi, it become -1. Then -1 become -0.5, 0, 0 only. 1 become +0.5 and 2 become +1. Is it done till there? So first one is done by everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then similarly go with the second one. You need to perform n+2. So perform n+2. Okay. So n+2 means advanced. Katapa. So if I take this towards left hand side, so +1 to 0 is first shift, and 0 to -1 is second shift. So what was starting at 1 will start from -1. Sorry now. Is it okay, guys? I hope you can finish up this. Anybody want me to draw this? If anybody have doubts to plot or to draw, let me know. Is it okay to everyone? Can you finish off this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So finish off and you can enter your attendance in the chat box and you can leave. I think it's time for next class also. Yeah, you just go back to your next class, guys.